Hi, my name's Christy and I thought I would show you today how I add things to my shop on Facebook, which means I can then share in Instagram and tag things in there. So let's have a little look. So what we want to do is add a product. We click on add photos and this is where we need to add our picture. So the warmer I'm going to pick to add is this one. And we need this picture to be movable, so it's not at the moment. So we right click, open this image in a new tab. If I click on here, what we have now is an image that I can move. Okay, so if we close this down so it goes small, so we're still in this one where the picture will move, and I'm going to place that there. And then I'm going to close that window so it doesn't confuse matters. And I'm going to go back on here, and we now have this that we opened up that looked like this. So even though it's here, it will still allow me to drag this picture into there, and then I like to keep it tidy, so we're going to get rid of that one. Then what we're going to do is use this photo. We are going to type our name of the warmer, and when you're doing these, if you want to make sure on any spellings or anything like that, then obviously you can see your name of your warmer there. Sodium warmer and the price. So this one is in our £55 range. You can hear me rustling my catalogue because I'm ticking them all off on there to make sure that I have all of the warmers listed. So in the description here, if we click back onto this, then I literally copy, paste, and then you want this, because this is what you're going to click. It's going to allow it to be clickable within Instagram, and you can share these. You can see on here, share. You can share them on your Facebook page as well. So on here, we just click on the top, back on here, paste it into there. So on here, you can add some more pictures. I literally have just put one for each warmer. And if this item was on sale, you can click this, and it will give you the sale price. On here you could share it directly onto your page, so be careful you're not doing this when you're adding 40 warmer pictures, otherwise your business page is going to go a little bit crazy. You also have the option to unpublish this. I leave it as public, and then I'm going to click save. So that then, if we just let it do its thing, should mean that in here, there you go. So it's still showing as processing. Once that's done, obviously I could then click share and share it within my page. I can share any of these, but in Instagram, if I tag anything, then it brings to this page. I hope that's been helpful. If I can help with anything else, let me know. Hit like.